In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads with Google Adsense. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring you understand how to set up ads that can help you monetize your website effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Google Adsense. This tool is essential for earning money from your website by placing advertisements. If you haven't visited Google Adsense before, it's quite simple to find. Just open your favorite web browser and type in the Google Adsense website. You'll find yourself on their homepage in a matter of seconds, and this is where the magic begins. Once you are on the website, you'll notice the option to sign in. If you already have a Google account, this is your way in. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of your screen. This will prompt you to use your Google credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the AdSense dashboard. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process which involves entering some basic information. Now that you're signed in and on the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the home page of Google AdSense. This section provides you with an overview of your account. It's important to familiarize yourself with this page, as it includes essential information about site performance and your earnings. Take a moment to explore the different sections and see what data is available to you. Next, it's time to focus on creating the ads. On the home page, you'll see an option labeled Ads. Click on it to start setting up your advertisement. This is where you can choose the type of ad formats that best suit your website. Google AdSense offers various options such as display ads, in-feed ads, and in-article ads. Each option has its own benefits, so consider the layout of your website and where you want these ads to appear. Once you've clicked on ads, you'll have the option to customize them further. You can select the style, size, and type of ads you want to display, tailoring them to fit your website's design seamlessly. Remember, the goal is to make the ads look natural within your site so they don't disrupt the user experience. To wrap things up, let's recap the essentials. You've learned how to access Google AdSense, sign in or create a new account, navigate to your homepage, and start creating ads. By following these steps, you are on your way to efficiently monetizing your website through ads. Keep in mind that the key is to choose ads that complement your content and engage your audience without overwhelming them. And there you have it. You now know how to create ads with Google AdSense in just a few simple steps. Keep experimenting with different ad formats to see which performs best for your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and good luck with your website monetization journey.